itong National Wage Productivity Commission. Are they here?
Good afternoon, Senator.
Okay, Director Pia
Yes, sir.
Charmaine de Jesus. Na pag-usapan na po natin to during the last meeting, paano po nabibigyan ng permit ng isang company para mag-initiate o implement ng so-called pakyawan o piece rate. Ang follow-up question ko lang ngayon from the previous meeting is, meron ba kayong ginagawang actual field inspection para makita kung pwede ba sila talaga magpakyawan at kung hindi ba nalulugi ang mga trabahador? You do that? How is it being done nga pala ulit?
Apo,
Yung tinatawag na
time and motion
time and
study po.
motion study.